Hello, travelers. This week, we're heading to New York City, the city that never sleeps. From towering skyscrapers to world-class museums, iconic landmarks to diverse neighborhoods, New York City offers an unparalleled adventure. Let's explore the Big Apple together. Our journey begins in Manhattan, the heart of New York City. After landing at John F. Kennedy International Airport, we head straight to our hotel in Midtown. The energy of the city is palpable, with yellow taxis zipping by and the towering buildings all around. Our first stop is Times Square, the bustling hub of neon lights, giant billboards, and endless entertainment. We immerse ourselves in the energy of street performers, souvenir shops, and the iconic red stairs. It's the perfect place to capture some classic NYC photos. For lunch, we grab a bite at a famous New York deli, trying a classic pastrami sandwich piled high with tender meat and a side of pickles. It's a delicious introduction to the city's food culture. In the afternoon, we visit Rockefeller Center, where we marvel at the grandeur of this iconic complex. We take the elevator to the top of the Rock Observation Deck, enjoying panoramic views of Manhattan. Seeing the Empire State Building, Central Park, and the Hudson River from above is breathtaking. Dinner takes us to a cozy Italian restaurant in Hell's Kitchen, a neighborhood known for its eclectic dining options. A plate of fresh pasta paired with a glass of wine is the perfect way to end our first day in the city. Day 2 begins with a morning stroll through Central Park, a green oasis in the midst of the city's hustle and bustle. We rent bikes and explore its winding paths, stopping at landmarks like Bethesda Terrace with its intricate carvings, strawberry fields, a tribute to John Lennon, and the Bow Bridge, a romantic spot featured in many films. Next, we head to Museum Mile, starting with the Metropolitan Museum of Art, one of the largest and most prestigious museums in the world. We admire works by masters like Van Gogh, Monet, and ancient treasures from Egypt and Greece. The museum's rooftop garden offers a stunning view of the city skyline, where we enjoy a light lunch. In the afternoon, we visit the Guggenheim Museum, an architectural marvel designed by Frank Lloyd Wright. The spiraling ramp leads us through an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art. The combination of the unique building and thought-provoking art makes this a memorable stop. For dinner, we head to the Upper West Side and enjoy a classic New York slice at a local pizzeria. The thin-crust pizza with gooey cheese and tangy tomato sauce is a must-try experience. On day 3, we take the subway to the financial district. Our first stop is the 9/11 Memorial and Museum, a powerful tribute to those who lost their lives in the September 11th attacks. The reflecting pools, where the Twin Towers once stood, are surrounded by the names of the victims, creating a somber yet beautiful atmosphere. Inside the museum, exhibits and artifacts tell the story of resilience and hope. Next, we visit Wall Street, the financial hub of the world. We take pictures with the iconic Charging Bull and Fearless Girl statues before grabbing a quick lunch from a food truck. A gyro filled with seasoned meat and fresh veggies is both convenient and delicious. In the afternoon, we hop on the Staten Island Ferry, a free ride that offers stunning views of the Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan skyline. The ferry ride is relaxing and provides great photo opportunities. Later, we head to Brooklyn Bridge, walking across the historic span as the sun sets. The views of Manhattan skyline and the East River are unforgettable. Once we reach Brooklyn, we explore DUMBO, down under the Manhattan Bridge overpass, a trendy neighborhood known for its cobblestone streets, art galleries, and waterfront parks. Dinner is at a chic restaurant in DUMBO, where we savor gourmet burgers and truffle fries. We end the night with a scoop of artisanal ice cream from a local creamery, enjoying the twinkling lights of the city. The fourth day is all about entertainment and shopping. We start with a Broadway matinee show, choosing from world-renowned productions like The Lion King or Hamilton. The performances are filled with emotion, stunning sets, and incredible talent that leave us speechless. For lunch, we dine at a chic restaurant in the theater district, enjoying dishes like lobster rolls and truffle fries. Afterward, we stroll along Fifth Avenue, one of the most famous shopping streets in the world. We browse high-end boutiques, flagship stores, and iconic shops like Tiffany & Company, Saks Fifth Avenue, and the Apple Store. In the evening, we visit the Empire State Building, ascending to the observation deck just as the city lights up. The 360-degree views of the twinkling cityscape are magical and offer a romantic end to the day. Day 5 takes us uptown to Harlem, a neighborhood rich in history and culture. We start with a tour of the Apollo Theater, a historic venue that launched the careers of music legends like Ella Fitzgerald and Michael Jackson. Next, we enjoy a soulful brunch at a local spot, featuring dishes like chicken and waffles and shrimp and grits. In the afternoon, we head to the Bronx to visit Yankee Stadium, a must-see for baseball fans. Even if there's no game, the stadium tour offers a glimpse into its storied past, including memorabilia and behind-the-scenes areas. Nearby, we explore the New York Botanical Garden, a lush retreat with stunning seasonal displays and themed gardens. Dinner is back in Harlem, where we enjoy authentic Caribbean cuisine. The flavors of jerk chicken, plantains, and spicy stews transport us to the islands. Our penultimate day is spent exploring Queens, the city's most diverse borough. We start with a visit to Flushing Meadows Corona Park, home to the iconic Unisphere, a remnant of the 1964 World's Fair, and the USTA Billie Jean King National Tennis Center, where the U.S. Open is held. For lunch, we dive into the food scene in Flushing, known for its incredible Asian cuisine. A bowl of steaming dumplings or spicy ramen is both comforting and flavorful. In the afternoon, we head to Long Island City, where we visit the MoMA PS1, a contemporary art museum housed in a former school building. The cutting-edge exhibits challenge and inspire us. We wrap up the day with a sunset stroll along Gantry Plaza State Park, enjoying unparalleled views of the Manhattan skyline. Dinner features a fusion of global cuisines at a trendy Queens restaurant. Our final day begins with a trip to Chinatown, where we explore bustling markets and enjoy dim sum at a traditional tea house. The vibrant streets, colorful signs, and unique shops are a feast for the senses. Next, we head to Little Italy, savoring a leisurely lunch of handmade pasta and cannoli at a family-owned trattoria. The charming streets and festive atmosphere transport us to the heart of Italy. In the afternoon, we return to Lower Manhattan for some last-minute shopping and sightseeing. We walk along the High Line, a beautifully designed elevated park that offers a unique perspective of the city. The lush greenery and public art installations make it a relaxing escape. As the sun sets, we gather at a rooftop bar to toast our unforgettable week in New York City. The glittering skyline is the perfect backdrop for our farewell. Reflection. New York City has shown us its many faces, from its rich history and cultural landmarks to its vibrant neighborhoods and culinary delights. It's a city that never ceases to amaze and inspire. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, happy travels.